Morning to you.
Good morning.
Can Democrats stop this nominee, whoever it is?
You're right, it's going to be one heck of a fight, but in the end, no. I think that this nominee will win, whoever the nominee is. One of the amazing things is how qualified all the ones that have been put forward are, and also what many conservatives like is they believe in what the Founding Fathers believed in, that the Constitution significantly limited the power of the federal government, and that's what we've needed on the court for a long time.
Okay, topic number 2. Did you have a problem with President Trump firing Sally Yates?
Well, I think she doesn't understand the Constitution or her role in the administration. And so, no, I think it was the right thing to do. The Constitution doesn't apply to people who live in other countries. It frankly has no application to them. And the immigration laws can be modified in our national interest. And the president is clearly given this authority under all of the statutes concerning immigration. So people, when they say, oh, not letting people in from a certain country is unconstitutional, they may not like it. It may offend their sensibilities, but it is not related to the Constitution or prohibited by the Constitution.
Did they roll this out properly, do you think?
Well, you know, I think the biggest snafu was the idea that some were interpreting it to being if you are permanently here with a green card that you're affected. They quickly made sure that people understood that it wasn't meant to be those who are permanently here. Many people, I know people, I have friends and family members who know people who have been here permanently for years and years. It wasn't meant to disrupt them or their travel. And so, but I think we have to understand there is a problem.
Several hours later.
Yeah,
there's a problem, what?
Well, the problem is that 40% of those who do visit our country on a visa overstay their visa. On 9/11, 2 of the hijackers were overstaying their visa. 2 of the hijackers were traveling back and forth on a visa and no one was paying attention. In my hometown of Bowling Green, 2 Iraqi refugees came. One of them's fingerprints were on an IED, and yet we let him come in anyway, and then he proceeded to want to try to buy Stinger missiles to attack us while living in my hometown. So there is a problem, something needs to be done, and we aren't doing enough to understand who's coming and whether they're obeying our immigration laws and going back home when their visa expires.
Topic number 3, Republicans in Congress. Matt Drudge tweeted this yesterday, quote, Republicans kept repealing Obamacare while O was in office, knowing would go nowhere, now nothing. There's more from Drudge. Congress hanging the Donald out to dry, making him do everything alone. Despicable, no tax cuts, no Obamacare repeal, nothing. You have put forward a replacement idea. When will this move forward, Senator?
I'm absolutely for both. For repeal, as a physician, I think Obamacare is a terrible system, and it really has caused insurance rates to go up, and many people are still struggling to get health care. So I would get rid of Obamacare, repeal the whole thing, and I would replace it with market reforms, more freedom to buy any insurance you want, including inexpensive insurance. I would expand health savings accounts so you can save tax-free to buy your insurance, pay your deductible, pay your premiums. And then I would let individuals join together in associations across state lines to try to get into a big enough group that you lower your price and also protect yourself against the insurance company dropping you or raising your rates if you get sick. If we do these market reforms,
are the Republicans who voted for a Republican Congress going to be satisfied in the end or not? Yes or no?
I think my replacement bill is a consensus bill, and all Republicans can vote for my bill. Some of the other things out there I think will divide us, but I think my bill unites us, and then I think on repeal we're going to be united. But there's still, you know, it's a complicated bill that took 3 years to roll out. It's going to take us about a month to sort of get our head around all the details and get it done. But we absolutely are going to repeal and replace same day.
Rand Paul, thank you. We are waiting for more on that, the Republican from Kentucky.